Sometimes a little more, sometimes a little less.
What would really be nice is spraying in Lakewood Village, my own neighborhood.
I'll show you something kind of cool, actually. Check this out. This was the first time I ever sprayed my street. If I can find it here. First time I ever sprayed my street. My dad came outside and took a video of it. Because when I was little, I used to come outside and watch it go by. There I am driving it now.
I always do it every day, and we only did Lando Lakes one time. One time, because it was a one-time deal, but we stopped wherever it is, we don't go to Shady Hills, Lando Lakes, or...
Don't go to Moon Lake either, please. Those roads back out there are really bad.
Why not go to Moon Lake? Why? What's wrong there?
No lights.
Oh.
If I were you, and this would help in your footage too, I'd imagine. Go somewhere that's pretty well lit. So...
Like this area? These lights right here?
I'd go to like a newer subdivision that's got street lights everywhere. You can see the trucks a lot easier. You can see the fog too. I know you want to see that in the videos.
Yeah, but basically...
Just a hint.
Right.
Anyways, I'll probably see you next week sometime.
Alright.
Sorry I can't get you the zone number anymore. Some nights, we got to get out of there really quickly, and other nights, like tonight, tonight was a little bit more slower pace because everyone was in the same area. But some nights we'll have 4 trucks in Holiday and 4 trucks in Zephyr Hills. Really...
You have 8 trucks out tonight. Bunch of mosquitoes. But right now, I'm not even being bit for some reason. I don't know why.
It's a little windy, probably.
Ernie made a joke one time that... Ernie, I don't know if you noticed this, but one time that you said that if the mosquitoes are out here and then they hear this thing, they start to get scared because they know what it is. And then they run away.
It sounds kind of like mosquitoes.
The
older ones, not the older ones, but when these were a little geared, they really did sound like mosquitoes. They were really loud.
Yeah, but the thing is about these is that I kind of made a joke that even though they really don't sound like this a little bit, that they kind of sound like a big swarm of honeybees. Like thousands or billions of them.
Yeah, that's true. Got a point.
Billions of jokes.
Alright, buddy, I gotta get on my way, alright?
Well, I'll see you later. Bye, Chris.
See you, Landon. I'll see you sometime next week, probably, if we're over here. Who knows?
You can start the spray over here if you want. Alright, bye!
Thank you, Chris.
Why does my camera do that?